What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup video is going to be shopping our stash, okay? I know we all love to buy new makeup, me included. Y'all know I love me some new makeup, but sometimes, you know, it can be a lot. So today I just wanted to go back through my makeup collection and pull out some stuff that I haven't used in a while, so maybe some stuff that I forgot about. You know, maybe we can fall back in love with these products and maybe I don't need to go buy anything else. We all know that's a lie. Okay, but anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, I already did my brows off camera. I don't have any, like, I don't know, old makeup products for my brows. So we're just gonna move on. For primer today, I'm gonna be using the Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. And like I said, this is all stuff that I just haven't used in a while. It's been replaced by other products. That doesn't mean I hate it. I just don't pick it up anymore. So yeah, the Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. Hopefully, well, I don't know. Some of this stuff, if I'm being for real, some of it might be expired, y'all, if I'm being honest. But as long as I don't see nothing crazy, I'm gonna use it, okay? I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with contour. For my contour, I'm using this Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Medium. And it looks like this. Y'all can see, it used to get, can y'all see that? Focus. It used to get a little bit of love, y'all. It did. So there's like a little dent in there, but just not so much anymore. Not so much. I'm just gonna pop that on. Yeah. Maybe that's why I stopped using it. It's a little intense. Oof. It's real intense. Okay, let's blend that out. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with these Fenty Eavesdrop Skin Tint. No, I ain't used this in a while. I think I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand for now. So I just got about that much. Let's pop that on the face. Right on top of that tantour, because it's a lot. For concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I feel like I want this to be like brighter. It's not bright enough. Let me see if I have another. So this is the Hourglass Vanish Concealer. I don't use this one because I felt like this shade was just like too bright. This is in the shade Dune. And then I just never went and got another shade. But because I want it to be brighter, maybe it'll work. But it's bright, bro. So I'm just gonna put it right in the corner and a little bit there. To set under my under eyes, we're gonna go in with Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Powder. Y'all know I just use my Givenchy, okay? So this has definitely been replaced. Like, I don't even have a big one of these anymore. But between my Givenchy, Huda Beauty, and the One Size powder, I have not touched Laura Mercier in a minute. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Like, why did we put her down? Why did we put her down? Okay, because she's looking all right. I don't have any cream blush. I just don't. Like, I use all my cream blushes and I rotate them pretty well, so I don't have a cream blush. Let's go in and set the rest of my face. I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury powder. I haven't used this to set my face. Honestly, I feel like it's a little dark. Like, you know, like it's kind of dark. So we're just gonna do like a super light. What is my powder brush? We're gonna do a real light set with this because I do feel like that's why I don't pick this up. It's just, it's a little too dark. Maybe like in the summer, but we're just gonna do a little bit. Just a little bit. Now let's do powder bronzer. I'm gonna go in with this Kylie bronzer in the shade Tawny Mommy. So let's do little bronze. This brush does not feel large enough, but I know it is. Or did my face get bigger? Now for blush, like I said, I don't have a cream blush, so I'm gonna go with this Charlotte Tilbury blush. This is in Pillow Talk something. Pillow Talk Intense is this blush shade. And it has like the little kind of highlight color in the middle. Ooh, so I'm just swirl that all around and apply that all over my cheeks. This is the part I'm the most excited about, y'all. I don't know why I don't use this anymore, but I don't. But we're going like, we're going back, way back. And we're gonna use Becca Opal. Oh my goodness, y'all. This was the highlighter, okay? The highlighter. I have not used this in so long, but I would never get rid of this, ever. Ever. Never, ever. Like, I will never get rid of this highlighter, ever in my life. I think you can still get Becca with like, it's like Becca and Smashbox or something now, but like Becca as a whole brand, I'm pretty sure it don't exist anymore. But I think you can still get a few Becca products. But they're with Smashbox. But yeah, I'll never get rid of this highlighter. Never, ever, ever. I have Champagne Pop too, still in my collection. It's just some stuff, like, I don't care if it expired, I'm not getting rid of it. Now, I may not necessarily use it anymore, but I'm not getting rid of it. Like, I am not. And this is one of those products. She is a collector's item, okay? For the eyes, again, we're gonna take it back with a good old melt stack, okay? Do y'all remember these? Y'all remember the melt stack? This is the rust stack, I believe. Yeah, this is the rust stack. So it has like all of the, I don't know, like warm colors, because that's kind of always been my little vibey vibe. So we're gonna use this. I'm excited. I'm actually really excited. Let me prime my eyelids though before I start doing too much. Get into the shadows. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Rubbish. I think the kids got a hold of this because there's like digs all in my eyeshadow. I don't appreciate it. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the shade Rubbish. I'm gonna put that in my crease. Did that do anything? I don't think it did. I don't think that did nothing for me. So I'm gonna go in with the next darkest shade, which is Rust. Ooh, a lot of kickback. Okay, that's better. I wonder if they still sell these. I know that they make like regular palettes now, like flat ones. But I thought this stack was so cool. I wonder if they still sell the stacks. But I think they have a Rust eyeshadow palette now. I'm gonna go in the inner corner with this shade. What shade is this? Classic. This really bright shade. Not on my lid, just like on the inner corner. Lastly, I'm gonna take the darkest shade, which is Rot, and we're gonna do like a little wingity wing. We're just gonna like do a little shadow wing. And we're gonna work on the lower lash line. I think I'm gonna take this shade, what is it called? Rubbish. I'm gonna take this shade just on my lower lash line. You know what, I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna mix Rubbish and Rust. Yeah, Rubbish and Rust. I'm gonna mix those and go on my lower lash line. All right, now let's see if we can find some eyeliner. I did not pull any eyeliner, so ooh, let's go with this one, MAC Teddy, which is just like a brown eyeliner. Let's pop on some mascara real quick. Okay, now we're just gonna move. Why am I looking over here? Now we're just gonna move on to the lips. Again, for lip liner, I keep my lip liners in pretty heavy rotation. But for this, I'm gonna go in with MAC Cork. And then for lipstick, y'all, we got another throwback. This is MAC Whirl, okay? Y'all remember when Kylie Jenner was wearing this and it had everybody in a chokehold? Like, literally, everybody was wearing this lip color. And it's still very pretty. And then for gloss, I'm gonna go in with this Kaja gloss shot. Ooh, and honey drizzle. We're just about done. Now we just need some setting spray, which is, here it is. We're gonna use the MAC Fix Plus. I'm almost out of this, but I feel like I just I just buy so many other setting sprays that I don't even know if I would repurchase this or not. Let's see. But MAC Fix Plus used to be the one, okay? Oh my God, that just sprayed out crazy. All right, you guys, so this is the finished makeup look using products that I just haven't picked up in a while. I do feel like I rediscovered some things. I do like the Laneige Glowing Makeup Serum, so we're gonna have to work her back in. The Kaja Gloss I also really liked, as well as, where is it? Where are you? Oh, my Laura Mercier powder. Why did we put her down? Okay, especially with the Givenchy reformulating their powder and it being like shimmery and everybody hating it. I might have to go back to her. And then the MAC Fix Plus too. Not bad. I just need to get some more. So yeah, I hope this video encouraged you to shop your stash, go through some of your makeup that you just don't touch anymore. Of course, if it's like super obviously expired, do not put it on your face, but try to rediscover some of your products, because listen, we spend a lot of money on our makeup, okay? And we want to use our products. We want to use our products, okay? Use your makeup. So that's it for this video, you guys. I will see y'all in the next one.